each one of our group is enthusiastic. Each one. That means again you are talking about each individual. You are not talking about the group. Group is denoting many people. But we have to see the subject. The subject is individually talked about. So the verb will be singular verb. Next sentence, next example of the same rule. Neither of the men was busy. Neither of the men. Again, neither shows you are talking about each man, each individual. You are not talking, you will not take into consideration men, which is a plural noun. You are not talking about that plural noun. You will see the subject. Subject is singular, so the verb will be singular. Now, let me read a simple exercise for you in relation to the subject verb concord. It is Ram who dash to blame. You have to fill in the suitable verb. It is Ram who is to blame. The whole class dash absent. The whole class is absent. The jury dash different opinion. The jury has different opinion because jury is taken as a collective noun. Neither you nor I dash invited. Neither you nor I am invited. All the boys of the class dash absent today. Are absent today. 2 and 2 dash 4. 2 and 2 make 4. Another exercise I am reading. 1000 rupees dash a big amount for me. 1000 rupees is a big amount for me. Remember children, some time back I had sent you the PDF of subject verb concord, all the rules also. Revise that. We have done this last year also. Revise from your grammar copy of class 9th. All the rules should be revised very well, then you will make no mistakes. If I dash a bird, I would fly. If I were a bird, I would fly. Each of the girls, mind you, the rule which we have studied just now. Each of the girls dash received an award. Girls is a plural noun, but you have to see subject is singular here. So what will you write? Has. Each of the girls has received an award. 4 weeks dash a good holiday. 4 weeks is a good holiday. My father dash not like reading comics. My father does not like reading comics. He walks as if he dash lame. He walks as if he were lame. Now, exercises in your exam, you know very well, they can come in passage form also. Most probability is that they will come in passage form because it is your board pattern. So, you will have to read the sentences very carefully. Don't be in a hurry. Read the sentences very carefully and then decide according to the rules. Keep the rules in your mind. What is the best suitable verb which you should write in agreement with the subject. So here I stop. Revise things well and all the very best. Thank you.